diamond inside. So let's get it.
To open the chest, we must say the magic password. Today's password is
没关系。
The voice controller selects slow. Let's say it slow.
没关系，没关系，没关系，没关系。Gulu say the magic password, but it is still locked.
We must play the voice controller again to say the password in a different way.
Everyone, come help me. Say it with us.
Okay, let's try to say it fast.
没关系，没关系，没关系，没关系，没关系，没关系，没关系，没关系，没关系。We did it!
Thank you for helping. Your voice energy is amazing.
Gulu did a good job. We got 5 diamonds.